How to withdraw money from Etoro or funds. Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can withdraw funds from Etoro. So in order to withdraw funds from Etoro, it's a very simple process. All you have to do is make sure that you already have an Etoro account, and then to begin with, go ahead and open up your Etoro application. Once you open up your Etoro application, then you have to log in into your account by entering your credential. Once logged in, go ahead and click on the withdraw funds option on the top left hand side menu. Once you've done that, enter in the exact amount that you wish to withdraw, and then you also need to select the currency type. Once you've done with that, click the continue button and move on to the step number 3, where you need to complete any further steps that must be required, or some additional information that you need to provide. Once you've done providing all of these information, go ahead and tap the click submit button located right at the bottom, and within a couple of days later you'll be notified with a statement. In that way you can withdraw funds from Etoro. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.